Well, hey, real estate fans, welcome back to Market Statistics for Southern Oregon. I'm Alice Lema. I'm a broker at John L. Scott Real Estate here in beautiful Southern Oregon on this amazing holiday weekend. Well, 2024 is almost over, and it's been a rocky one, right, folks? But we're here to report the statistics for all three counties, and we're back to having a little bit of volatility. We thought we were going to start having more stability after last week's numbers, where we had price increases in all three counties on the same week. That just doesn't happen very often. But this is why we do this week to week. So we're looking for trends. We're looking for trends to turn into big market movements. So for now, let's start with Jackson County. The prices in Jackson County were up this week only 1%, so that's mostly stable. The average residential home costing $517,213. The number of sold year over year were down 19% in Jackson County, with 45 closings on SOMLS in the residential market this week in Jackson County. Number of listings year over year are up 4% in Jackson County. There are 697 active listings on SOMLS this week, so that's quite a few. We have one foreclosure that closed this week in Jackson County. It sold for $177,000, sorry, in Gold Hill, and it was a duplex. We also had one short sale close in Jackson County. Short sales are very unusual these last few years. It sold for $575,000 in East Medford. It was on almost an acre. It was 3,300 square feet. Yes. So, and I think it looks like it took 3 months to close. Short sales are when the bank loses money. The bank is getting shorted on the original loan. It doesn't have anything to do with time. They take forever. We did have some good news in the $1 million market. We had two closings in the $1 million residential market in Jackson County this week. One was for 1.1 million. So 1 million in Eagle Point on Dry Creek Road. It was 19 acres, 4,000 square feet home. And the second one was in Jacksonville for 1.3 million, and it was on Upper Applegate Road. It was 11 acres with a 1,500 square foot home. So congratulations to those folks. That's good news. Josephine County this week, prices were down 18% year over year. The average residential home in Josephine County costing $382,923. Numbers sold year over year in Josephine County were down 13% this week, with 13 closings on SOMLS in Josephine County's residential market. The number of listings was up again 17% in Josephine County year over year. We had 360 active listings on SOMLS in Josephine County's residential market. So again, that's quite a few. Klamath County this week, prices were down 15% year over year. The average residential home in Klamath County costing $339,211. Number of solds year over year in Klamath County were up 26%, which is great. We had 19 closings in Klamath County's residential market on SOMLS this week. The number of listings year over year in Klamath were up 21%, with 300 active listings on SOMLS in Klamath County's residential market. We had 0 foreclosures closed in Klamath County, 0 short sales, and we had $1 million closing in Klamath County's residential market. It was in Clatsop Falls. It was on Majestic Street. It was about a third of an acre, and the house was 6,300 square feet big. So that's a big spread. So those are the statistics for this week. You can see we have volatility back, but we're still kind of hovering around the bottom because of last week's good news. We're thinking we're going to just start having a little bit more of a gentle trend upward, and that looks like a little bit higher prices, but not much. And we're predicting that for the whole rest of the year, just very small, gentle increments in the price department. So sellers, if you're waiting for a big pop up, probably not. And a lot of that has to do with the interest rates and also the hesitation of the buyers now after a couple of years of all this economic stuff going on. They're a little bit hesitant to jump back into the market. And the interest rates did go down again this week from the Federal Reserve perspective, but on the mortgage market, they went up, not by very much. So basically stable, but we're not seeing that economic optimism in the credit markets. So in the meantime, if you're ready to do something in your real estate life, call me, text me, 541-301-7980. That's 541-301-7980. So feel free to give me a call or text so that we can talk about what you want to do and where the markets are going in the future and how long that's going to take. Whether you're buying, selling, investing, downsizing. I'm great with riverfront. I'm great with farms, and also great with first-time home buyers. So, and if you're renting right now and a tenant and you want to start preparing to own a home, I'm great with those consultations too. We can get you ready. All right. Have a beautiful holiday weekend. We'll see you next time. Bye now.